Zombie. Yeah.
Can you explain to us more? Because I want to know, that's why I'm here in the streets, eh?
Brazil,
Yes.
those people are against God.
They are against God.
Who say there's no God?
What?
That's what.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works, for those who are new here. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. And guys, if you come across this YouTube channel and it's your first time, make sure to subscribe too, and welcome to Team Claudia Works. So guys, today I'm coming live from downtown streets of Isili, located in Kenya, Africa. And guys, for those who have been complaining about my voice, it's not clear, about background noise, it's kind of, this one is sorted. I know that you can hear me well. If you want anything to change, you can let me know. And yes, let's explore this beautiful street, guys. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Claudia Works. Yeah. Hello. Wambia wa subscribe to Claudia Works. Wambia wa subscribe to kwa channel ya huyu mrembo. Wambia subscribe.
Subscribe kwa huyu mrembo kabisa sana. Kama ni aje?
Iko fiti sana.
Kabisa.
So niko na swali moja kwako. So guys, I'm trying to tell him that I have one question for him. And my question for today is, what comes into your mind when you hear Brazil?
Brazil.
Haya, nini nakujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia Brazil? Wacha nikuje hii side tukaya hapa, si ndio? What do you know about Brazil? Oh, about football?
Naipenda sana Brazil. Brazil inakuanga na wachezaji kwa sana.
He loves Brazil. We have what is number 7? Wanaielewa. If you know number 7, make sure you comment down below. I also want to know. Sawa, thank you so much. What is the name of this street?
First Avenue.
This is First Avenue, Isili, and this guy is a book venture. So make sure once you come to Isili and you need some books, you promote him.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm Claudia Works. Hey. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people. Hi, mommy. Hey, you know me. Oh, God. Guys, this lady knows me. You look good. So this lady has got a good smile, a nice smile like me. So I have a question for you. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? Football. So it's like Italy is known for Brazil is known here for football. Talk about Brazil maybe. Hey, they are pretty, man. What's your name, by the way? So guys, this lady is known as Beth, and we are in First Avenue. She's a book venture. So once you come to Isli, make sure you promote him. He's a nice lady. He's a supporter of Claudia. Team Claudia, yo. If you come to Isli, make sure you promote. So thank you. Hey, bro. Okay, tutaonana. Wacha nitembee. Fiti bro. Unataka kuongea kidogo? Tunaonekana kwa media sasa hivi. Tuko pale live. Tuambie jina yako pale. Tuambie majina yako pale. Hii is Paul, eh? Paul, I have one question for you. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? Nini unajua kuhusu Brazil? Ni timu poa. Oh, he loves Brazil because of football, man. If you are a fan of football and you watching from Brazil, make sure you comment down below. Hello. Say hi. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? Yeah? Nini nakukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia jina Brazil? Football. Apart from football, what else? Because I think on these beautiful streets of Italy, people know much about football in Brazil. Talk about Brazil, ladies.
No, I'm just a fan of football.
You are just fan of...
So,
So guys, oh, this guy is a football fan. He loves Brazil because of football. Anyway, if you're a fan of football, comment down below. If you're watching from Brazil, welcome to Team Claudia Works and subscribe too. Thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works for YouTube. Okay. Claudia Works, yes. So guys, there is a traffic jam around here. So I have to keep on working. Guys, I'm becoming famous in these beautiful streets of Italy, man. And actually today I was not planning to come to the street, but hi! That's Somali ladies greeting me, man. So, hi bro.
hi too.
How are you? I'm Claudia Works for YouTube. And today I'm walking just randomly in the street asking questions. Now my question for today is, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? Today we are talking about Brazil, not Jamaica.
Brazil,
Yes.
those people are against God.
They are against God.
Who say there's no God?
What?
That's what I know about Brazil.
Wow.
But in games also we know they are good.
Oh, in games, eh?
They are football.
Football.
Yeah.
Talk about Brazilian ladies.
And the ladies, since I've been not there, I can't
But
comment.
you've been watching them on media, man.
On media, my best at following.
Okay, thank you so much.
Well,
You just bumped into my video because you know Claudia Works, right? You've been seeing me around.
Yeah, I have seen you around.
Oh, and you love Claudia Works, right? Now, today's question would be like, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil is good. Good country. I like football from Brazil. Only football.
Only football. Can you name us like 5 players from Brazil?
Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldo, Rivaldo, Ronaldinho, the old player. That is 4.
That is 4.
Yeah.
Can you have to become 5?
Give me one. Give me one.
So guys, thank you so much for your time. Make sure you check me out on Claudia Works YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm just happy I'm enjoying this beautiful street, man. Hello. Yeah. So, look at this busy road here, guys. So, Claudia is well known here, guys. And bear in mind that I'm not the one who is approaching those guys. They are approaching me by themselves. Hello. How are you? Hey, you have a nice smile. Say hi to my fans. Say hi to my fans, bro.
Hey, thank you.
I want to assist you to sit here, man. Hello, hi. I'm big.
He's smart.
He's smart.
Yes, smart.
Can you say hi to my fans?
How are you?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Fine.
How are you?
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil? You from Brazil?
I'm from Brazil, man.
Which place exactly?
Hey, this guy knows about football. Can you name us like 5 players from Brazil?
Gaucho, Neymar, Jesus.
Wanajua. Ingia tu tuendelee.
Gabriel Jesus, Neymar Jr., Gaucho, Rivaldo, Newcastle,
Moja tanyako ifike.
Ianacho,
Aya, tuambie nini unajua kuhusu Brazil? Anything you know about
Jamaica,
Brazil?
you know Wajakoya.
Let's tuongelea Brazil.
Brazil, football.
Jamaica, you know
Football
Wajakoya.
too.
Yeah, that's football.
But I've heard that in
Also,
Brazil.
they have good beaches.
Good beach. Can you name like 3 beaches in Brazil? Yes.
São Paulo.
Kuja hapa muongee nyote.
São Paulo. Warico.
Bueno is from Argentina or what? Bueno.
Nini? Tunataka we want only 3.
So you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel goes by the name Claudia Walks.
Nah?
Claudia Walks.
Claudia.
Claudia Walks.
So you
What?
travel only?
Yeah, I travel. I interact with people the way I'm interacting with you, man.
Have you find a husband?
Or are you interested?
Or are you interested?
Oh, you want to become my husband or my boyfriend?
I can do both.
You can do both. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can know if we can do both, man.
Yeah?
Yes.
And I'm not joking, man.
Yeah, really?
I don't give a shit, man.
Oh,
If I start something, I have to complete.
you have to do what?
If I start, I have to complete.
If you start, you have to complete.
Yeah.
Okay, now start so that we can see if we will complete. Now back to you, bro. Talk about Brazilian ladies.
Very beautiful ladies.
Super hot.
This guy loves ladies from Brazil,
yeah.
man.
Have you tried one?
If given a chance, would you marry from Brazil?
Yeah.
Oh,
From Brazil.
you have a girlfriend from Brazil?
No, I don't know, but I would love.
You are searching.
If you are a lady, you are watching from Brazil, or you stay in Brazil and you want a husband or a boyfriend from Kenya, here you go. Comment down below, man.
Claudia.
Hey, Claudia, what? Hi.
This is a mad person.
Oh, say hi.
He's a mad from Kenya.
Oh, we love also mad people.
Mad people are people. I don't
Sema hi. Sema hi, pale. English, man. My friends can hear only English. Try.
I'm Simon Montgomery,
Yes.
and I love you. You're here. I'm Motenger here. You have any? I like the people.
You like people?
Yes.
this one.
I'm here.
You are here? You love me?
I love you.
You love me?
You love me too.
Yes, I love you too. Can you say something?
I have to say something like Moroni. You have to look like Mutengari. Yes, showing something like BJ.
You look like Mutagari.
You have to, my secretary, you have to learn and everything.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil. We have to calculate them for.
Running.
Learning.
Athletics.
Athletics and ball.
Hotel.
Apa? Kuruta bagi.
Do you have weed in Brazil?
I don't know, but they sell.
They sell.
Mhm.
Okay, what do you know about the Brazilian ladies?
Claudia.
Ladies,
Let me quick, eh? Talk about Brazilian ladies.
ladies, they are
Yeah.
smart. They are learning. Black beauty like you.
Brazil is all about soccer
Yeah.
and
Black
lifestyle.
beauty like you.
Okay.
They have big hair. They have a big nyonyo.
Guys, this is so crazy.
That's all.
This is so fun, man. But I'm enjoying this beautiful shit. Look at this beautiful letter how she is happy. Hey, mommy. This is crowded. Claudia, we are having fun around this street, man.
Martin is here.
Martin, hi, Martin, how are you? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
I like Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. What do you know about Ronaldo?
Was a very
Talk about Brazilian zombies. Zombies from Brazil.
We have Cafu, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Roberto Carlos, and others.
Those are the zombies from Brazil.
I don't know so.
Sawa, asante. Man, I'm just happy.
Next time,
Tupatane weekend nakuja, man. Weekend nakuja tukae hapa. It will be my birthday, so I'll be celebrating this week.
bring me one girl from Brazil.
From Brazil.
Yeah.
Sawa, nitakuleta.
Sawa.
Sawa.
A hot one.
A hot one, like me.
Yeah.
Sawa. So guys, this is the love I get from this beautiful street. This is the love I normally get in this beautiful street, guys, and I'm happy. So there is this question I've asked that guy about Brazilian zombies. We know Brazil of football and zombies. I don't know whether it's true. So if you're watching this video from Brazil, and if you stay in Brazil and you know this story of zombies, kindly let me know in the comment section. And guys, I'm getting into another street that was like a down street here in Italy, but I'm getting out of it. Oh, hello bro, how are you? You're good. You look nice, man. You are tall, man.
Hey.
Now what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? So guys, this is roundabout and I want to go to that side. I know you have been seeing me on this roundabout. I just want to go to the other side. It's a bit busy and I have to be careful even with my camera. Hi, how are you? Yeah, you too. I'm Claudia Walks. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil.
Yes. You know nothing about Brazil, but Brazil we know of football. Is that bro?
I'm not a football fan, that's why.
Oh, that's why. Okay, but you may see Brazil.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Anita.
Anita. So Anita, my name is Claudia. I normally walk in this beautiful street. I interact with people. We have fun. We explore.
Yeah.
So,
That's good.
yeah.
Thank you. That's to make a YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yes, Claudia. Yeah, utakuwa kwa ndani ndani.
Hi everyone.
Mambo
Hi.
Nini unajua kuhusu Brazil?
Mambo na mpira.
Yeah, guys, this guy knows about football from Brazil.
I don't know about ball.
Aya, sawa. You look good, by the way. Okay.
You are the fan?
Yeah, I'm fan of Brazil. Nini unajua kuhusu Brazil?
Brazil ni vile nilijua walichukuanga World Cup.
Walichukuanga World Cup.
Yeah.
Na si unajua pia wanawake wa huko. Can you talk about Brazilian ladies?
What about ladies?
Ladies, man.
Mambo na ladies siko.
Uko?
Hapana.
Sawa. Claudia Walks.
Instagram on?
Of YouTube. Both YouTube.
Hello.
Let me quick. Oh, sorry.
Unaulizana mambo ya Brazil.
Nani unajua kuhusu Brazil?
Unajua mambo ya mpira.
Mambo na mpira? Haujui kitu kingine?
Mpira.
Mpira ni kama mahali hapo. Sawa. Oh, hi. Kuko poa sana. Wasalimia sema hi. Say hi. We are live on Claudia Walks YouTube channel, man.
What?
We are live on Claudia Walks YouTube channel. Come say hi. This is crazy, man. You want to say hi? I'm Claudia Walks from YouTube. So guys, let's go on to the other side and interact with more people. So let's keep on going, man. Ooh, I have to go very quickly because the roads here are not a bit safe. So I have to use this route. I've never been into these routes, but guys, let's go and nikuje. Oh, huyo ndio mpira sasa. Oh, sawa sawa bro.
Ndio madam anatafuta pesa. Kama hujui.
Haina shida. Si wewe unapenda mpira?
We are having a good time with this. Nikiona na wewe una smile bana.
Oh, smile kwa sababu unajua unaingiza kabisa. Unafanya hivyo vipi lakini?
Kwa sasa.
Mimi ni fan wa Chelsea.
Wewe ni fan wa Chelsea?
Tena mbaya sana.
Oh, tupatie mchezaji mmoja wa Chelsea.
Legend. Kama ligi yetu kwa tunamtambua.
Mnamtambua sana.
Legend. Hili ni Hazard. Tunawatambua. Ni wale maplayer ambayo wamebeba Chelsea kwa miaka mingi. Chelsea kajulikana kama.
Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil ilikuwa timu nzuri lakini ilifika mahali
Ikafikiwa.
kwa sababu flow
It was Brazil was well known for football, but it went down.
Yeah, down.
I don't know whether it's true. I don't know about Brazil. That's why I want to know.
Yeah.
Sawa. Can you give us like 5 players of Brazil?
Tunga, Ronaldo, Cafu, Robinho.
Kaka.
Wambia nani mwingine?
Nimepasia Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Cafu, Robinho, Kaka, na wengi nao.
Haya, sawa. Naitwa Claudia, watu pale kwa YouTube.
Naitwa Barasa, Western, huyo mwenyewe.
Sawa. Asante sana.
Fanya kazi za security.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes.
So I'm safe, eh?
Yeah.
So you are fan you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm fun too.
I'm Anton Mwasya from Machakos.
Oh, Machakos, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So guys, let's keep on walking. Despite the sun, despite the sun being too hot today, I have reviewed these guys for you. I don't know whether you can see me well because of the sun, but I think oh, sorry, mommy. I think I'm audible enough. I think you can see me well because I don't know whether you can see me well because of the sun rays, eh? But I think I should hold my camera like this way so that you can see me. So let's keep on walking as we enjoy this beautiful street. And if you're watching for the first time and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you subscribe? Hello! Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, road to 5,000 subscribers. And guess what, guys? If you're watching my videos, guys, don't skip the ads. Sorry. Hi, bro. How are you? You wanna say hi to my fan? Sawa. Bro. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Can I get that again?
What comes into your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Brazil.
Yes.
It's another country.
It's another country. Yes. You know Brazil is a country. Nini ingine unajua kuhusu Brazil?
Brazil.
Yes.
I have no idea.
Talking of football, Ronaldo. Okay.
Not fan of football.
You're a fan of what? If you're not fan of football, you're a fan of what? There is still, maybe if you are not fan of football, there is that one thing you like, eh? Yes. Asante sana. I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Sawa. Hi. You want to say hi? Oh. Oh, the sun is eh? Ni ya YouTube. Oh, wacha nikusaidia kufanya kazi leo, si ndio? Oh, sijui kama ile. Oh, sawa. So, can you say hi to my fans, bro?
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Master.
Master. What do you normally do here in Isili? Oh, once you come to Isili and your shoes get dirty,
You get master.
you get mastered by the master, man.
Aye.
Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? What comes into your mind when you hear the word Brazil?
Help me, my brother.
It's a country.
Brazil is a country.
Yeah.
Unajua is a country, yes, but nini unajua kuhusu Brazil, your country? Yes.
Vitu mingi
Kama nini?
kama Amazon forest,
Yes.
football,
Football, man. Hey, people here talking of football. Okay, it's okay, bro.
Aye.
Talk about zombies, eh?
Zombies.
Yes, because I saw somewhere people said that we have a lot of zombies in Brazil,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm in the streets trying to know if it's true or not.
Yeah. Zombies.
Yeah.
Aye.
The more unaulizwa what is zombie.
Talk about
Zombie.
Tumekuwa
Zombie.
tumekuwa tukisikia pia Brazil kuna kuanga na zombies.
Zombie, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, zombie. Yeah.
Zombie.
Really, yeah.
Can you explain to us more, because I want to know, that's why I'm here in the streets, eh? Yes, hebu tuambie kuhusu hizo mazombies.
Zombies. Zombies za watu, ama unajua kuna wale watu wanakunywanga like Brazil kuna madawa. Watu wakishatumia zile madawa wanakuwa mazombi
Oh, so
Unaona?
it means like that, eh?
Zombies called zombies.
Zombies, eh?
Zombie. Paruti, as in paruti.
Hizo tu
zombie.
ndio maana niko hapa nataka kujua, sijui
zombie,
pia. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube, eh?
Sasa sister.
Sasa Claudia Works. So it makes
Which channel?
Claudia Works.
Claudia.
Works. I think I should get a t-shirt and I print and niandike jina yangu hapa. I print my name here. Sindio?
In future, ama
This is not
just
this is a normal t-shirt, eh? But my name is Claudia Works.
Claudia Works.
Works. Ile ya kutembea.
When you
Leta
go
mahali
YouTube.
nikuandikie. Kuna mahali nataka kuandikia.
Taishika tu Claudia
Works. Tuko pale kwa YouTube. Leo ama kesho ndio nitaupload hiyo video, mtajiona pale.
Tutajiona leo ama kesho.
Leo ama kesho, man.
Ungeka leo si
master hapa.
So unajua lazima ni heading.
Sasa heading utasemaje?
Eh?
Heading.
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 Nitakuwa
Unajua kuna
utaiona
mpaka-
hapo.
Mpaka lazima kuna heading.
Heading. Hebu tupatie heading kali.
Heading kali tomorrow. Master Shushine.
Master Shushine. Meeting the Master Shushine of Eastleigh.
Yeah,
Meeting the Master Shushine.
The biggest shoe shiner in Eastleigh. Sawa.
Sawa, heading ni hiyo, usisahau hiyo heading.
Sitasahau. Pia nitawekea namba yako hapo.
07 21.
Okay.
Meeting the Master Shushine.
Sawa.
The
Sawa.
biggest. Okay, madam.
Sawa. Thank you so much.
Sawa, madam.
Haya, poa. Haya, wow. So guys, let's keep on walking. We are enjoying these beautiful streets. So I think I'm clear. I'm audible enough today. And today I'm just exploring these beautiful streets of Eastleigh. Hello, how are you? You wanna say hi to my fans? YouTube channel? Yes. Say hi to my fans.
Thank you.
Wambia wa subscribe.
Subscribe to YouTube.
Nini unajua kuhusu Brazil?
Hata hiyo huwezi fikiria juu ya shughuli ndio mingi ya kutafutangaji.
Oh, sawa. Mimi naitwa Claudia Works pale kwa mtandao. Claudia Works. Yes, you are welcome.
Welcome. Eastleigh tunasema tu ni kuhustle. Karibu wote Eastleigh.
Oh, welcome Eastleigh. Thank you.
Rank ni gani?
Rank ni hiyo tunawapeleka moja kwa moja mpaka Brazil.
Na Brazil form ni gani?
Brazil tunataka kujua watu wa hii mtaa kama wanajua Brazil. We just want to know if people from these beautiful streets of Eastleigh knows what they know about Brazil. Do you know Brazil?
I know Brazil.
What do you know about Brazil?
The biggest forest is there.
What's the name of the forest?
The name of the forest.
Yes.
How do you call it, my brother? I've forgotten.
At least guys, these know about the forest. Even me, I don't know, but hey, through walking these streets, I'm learning, man. Yeah. If you're watching from Team Claudia, make sure you tell us the name of the forest over there. Sawa sawa, I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube. Sawa sawa. Oh, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Look at these people hugging each other. So guys, remember we are in the street and I'm just having fun. I'm interacting with the people. Let me check if my camera is a bit clear. Yes, very clear. And guys, I just arrived in what we call it, in uptown, uptown Easily, where the rich people stay. You can look at these beautiful apartments over here. I know they are a bit expensive. So guys, let's keep on walking. We enjoy the streets, we interact with people. And guys, Jamaica, not Jamaica. Guys, I'm addicted to Jamaica. Brazil is well known here because of football. And yes, if you are a true fan of football, guys, make sure you comment down below. Talking of zombies around Brazil, I know nothing about, but there is this one guy who has explained to us about the zombies. So let's keep on walking. We interact with people as we know about, as we get to know more about this beautiful country known as Brazil. Hello, Mukafiti. So guys, we are trying to reduce the force because of copyright. I know they are big fans of Claudia because they are calling me and I have to greet them, man. How are you? Again. Hey, I'm good. I'm good. Utaonekana pale kwa Claudia Works YouTube channel. Yes, na leo ni Claudia Works. Claudia Works. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word Brazil? Nini unajua kuhusu Brazil? Nauliza kila mtu.
Brazil, they are big players in the world.
Oh, big players.
Yeah.
Can you name like 5?
I just name it.
You name it. You name after you. It's just, no, wait for your turn, bro. Wait for your turn. We are on this guy. So can you name like 5 players? And you look, are you a Rastafarian? Are you a Rastafarian? You can remove his thing, man. Oh, you're looking good, man. Okay, what do you know about Brazil?
Brazil iko wachezaji wakubwa sana.
Okay, big players. Nini ingine? Nini ingine?
Sijui.
I'm talking about players. Can you name like 5?
Gabriel Jesus.
Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus, if you are watching this from Brazil, make sure you comment down below. Nani mwingine? Ronaldo? Retired.
Ronaldo retired.
I don't know.
Martinelli.
Hi. You good? Nani mwingine?
Ciao.
Okay, talk about Brazilian ladies. Ladies from Brazil. How are they? You don't know. Talk about Brazilian zombies. Thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. You will check me out later. All I want to show you. I'm coming to you. You want to appear to my camera? Oh, thank you. I have to respect that, guys. And guys, bear in mind that this is a new street and the love I'm getting is just a massive, and I love people from this street, guys. The place is so secure because I'm alone in this beautiful street and so far so good, man. So far so good. What to research? And one thing I like about this beautiful street, people are so hardworking. Eh? Yalla. Can you sing for us?
Hey. Yeah?
You want to say hi? Say hi.
Boleh nyonya.
Ongea Kikamba hata. Nena Kikamba we. Yes. Guys, this is the kind of love I'm getting in this beautiful street. And guys, make sure if you are watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And
What is that? YouTube.
so guys, if you're watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. I know you have been enjoying my videos, and that's why you are here. And guys, make sure to subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.